Hello everyone, welcome back. Today in this tutorial, I am trying to explaining about the problem is find first non-repeating character from a given string. Let me try to explain about problem statement. First non-repeating character means, so if I can provide string like Swiss, so in this case, from this given input string, first non-repeating character is W. Let me try to provide one more string, race car. So here first non-repeating character is E. So one more string I am trying to provide like alphabet. Here first non-repeating character is L. So next one I am trying to provide some negative scenario. So here there is no non-repeating character. Every character is repeating two times, right? In that case, we can return either blank character or some default character we can return. So I explained, these are the different inputs. So in this case here it is the second character, here it is the, I can say here fourth character, here second character, here there is no unique character. These are the some inputs to find a first non-repeating character. Now let me try to write the logic. So I am trying to use Java 8 streams to find the first non-repeating character. So I am trying to declare the string as a Swiss. So for this string, I am trying to apply one of the method that exists inside string class is chars. So it will return int stream. So I want characters from that int stream. I am trying to convert by using map to obj. So map to obj is one of the intermediate operation in streams. So I am trying to convert integer to character. So once it is correct, converted, I am trying to collect map of character and integer. Here in this case, it will provide character and long as a map. I will collect it as a map. So key will be character and value will be long. So one of the method I am trying to use collect that exists inside stream. So collect, which is expecting parameter is collectors. Collectors is a utility class. Collect is a stream interface, right? So collectors dot one of the method exists inside that collectors class is grouping by. Grouping by. This is the ordered method. I am trying to use three parameters grouping by. So these are the three parameters. So first parameter I am trying to provide function dot identity. Function is a predefined functional interface which is I am trying to use static method, that is identity. Second parameter I am trying to provide linked hash map to keep track all characters in the sequence. So why? Because I need to find first non-repeating character, right? So if I can provide here S, so if I did not take here linked hash map, it will take maybe chance of getting this character also. Yes, but I don't want that. So first non-repeating character I want E here. So in that case, what I am trying to use, I am trying to use linked hash map. Linked hash map. So I am trying to use here constructor reference. So third parameter is counting. Again, collectors utility class I am trying to use collectors dot counting. So why? Because this counting. So for this each character I am trying to use identity. For how many times this character is repeated, I am trying to use counting. So I am trying to store inside a linked hash map. So once that collecting part is done, so here open brace, closed brace, and here for collect. Once this collecting part is done, I am trying to the up to now this is the 50% solution. Now still 50% is pending. I collect it as a map character of, and the map contains key is character and value is long. So remaining solution means I need to find first unique character. First character which is having count 1. So For that, what I am trying to do, up to now we collect it as a map, right, linked hash map. So I am trying to use, again I am trying to convert it to stream. So for maps we can't apply streams directly. First we need to get entry set, then only we can apply stream, right? So for that I am trying to first I am trying to apply entry set, then I can apply stream. Then I am trying to filter. I mean, I want first non-repeating character, right? Filter entry dot get value. So if the value is equal to 1, so I am trying to apply, I am trying to get that entry. So for that again I am trying to apply map dot entry. We are expecting character, right? I mean, character means here linked hash map key is character. That's why I am trying to apply here. I am trying to apply here method reference get key. Why? Because we are expecting key. So after that I am trying to apply find first. Why? Because first character itself I am trying to expect. Find first. So it will return first character itself. I mean, first character which is having count is equal to 1. So once that find first is done, I am trying to apply if present or else. So if present I am trying to print that, or else I am trying to provide some default. So if present or else. So if present or else is expecting two parameters. First one is consumer, second one is runnable. So consumer, whatever value, if that find first is exist, you can print that corresponding character. So if that find first is, I mean, it does not contain any character, I mean, which count is 1. So in that case, this runnable functional interface implementation will be executed. So here I am trying to write not found, something like that. So this is the solution, finding the first repeating character, I mean non-repeating character from a given string. Now let me try to build the same logic in IDE. Before that, let me try to explain that what going here. I am trying to write all code in JDK8 feature called streams right here. So this is the input string, input, and here it will return int stream. So cats will return int stream. I am trying to convert. I am trying to explain each and every line. Convert int to char. So why? Because I am trying to find count for each character. Once I converted, then I am trying to count here. So collect is an interface, collector is a utility class. I am trying to apply grouping by. So I am trying to find counting by using this collect. I mean, each character is repeated. I mean, each character count I am trying to identify. Here grouping by is expecting three parameters: identity, counting, and to store that each character corresponding count inside the hash map, I mean linked hash map. So once I got map of character is key, long is a value. So directly I can't apply stream for maps. First I need to apply entry set. First, once I entry set is there, then only I can apply stream. So I am trying to filter here. So from that all characters, I mean all entries, I am trying to get only that entry which is having value is 1. So once that entry is found, I am trying to get key from that entry. So I am trying to apply, I am trying to stop it. Why? Find first method will, if that value, I mean get value is 1, if it is found, immediately find first will stop. So once the result, I mean we got that value is 1, find first will return it. So immediately the value is there, it will return. I mean if the value is there, I mean if present or else method, so it will be executed. If not does not exist, non-repeating character, I mean runnable interface implementation will be executed. So this is the explanation about from starting to end, I mean JDK 8 feature streams. Now let me try to write the solution in IDE. So here I already created one file called first non-repeating character. I am trying to provide string. So applying chars. So it is returning int streams, you are seeing, right? Int stream. Then I am trying to apply map to object. So I am trying to convert integer to character by using that map to obj intermediate streams operation. Then I am trying to collect. So I am trying to provide one of the method is collectors. So collect is a stream, I mean interface, right? Stream interface that extends base stream. If let me show you that. Yeah, stream is interface. So I'm trying to use collectors. Collector is a class. So collectors, one of the method grouping by. So I'm trying to take three arguments grouping by. Grouping by is a overloaded method, right? So I'm trying to use first parameter is, let me try to align properly. So grouping by first parameter I'm trying to provide function. Function is a predefined functional interface from java.util.function. So I am trying to call one of the static method identity. This is the first parameter. Second parameter is I am trying to provide linked hash map to store all entries. I mean each character count. Next one is I am trying to count each character. Collector start counting. So up to now 50% of the problem is solved. Now remaining 50% we need to solve. So till now I have map. If we can observe that collect here it is returning map, right? So I can't apply streams directly to map. First I need to get entry set. So entry set, then I am trying to apply stream, then I am apply filter. I am expecting only the entry which is having value is 1. So entry dot get value equal to 1. Then again I am trying to apply map to get that key of that entry. So map dot entry. So here I am trying to apply method reference get key. Next I am trying to, once that key is available I am trying to apply find first. Find first. After that if present or else I am trying to apply. This is the method. So which is expecting two parameters. First one is, if we can observe the documentation about this is the, I already explained about JDK 8 features. If you did not watch that, I mean optional class in detail, if you did not watch that, watch those videos, you will get full clarity. First parameter is consumer, second parameter is runnable. So consumer means it won't take, I mean it will take something and it won't return anything. So I am trying to provide some parameter name here. So if that exists, I mean find first will return some value. So I am trying to print that. So if that does not, I mean find first does not return any value, runnable interface run method implementation. So run method won't have, I mean won't expect any parameters, right? That's what here for lambda expression we are not providing any parameter. So I am trying to write here not found. So this is the solution. So I wrote completely JDK 8 feature called streams. Now let me try to run it. So this is the expected one, right? Race car E is the first non-repeating character. If I can provide Swiss, so W is the first non-repeating character. If I can provide alphabet, so we are expecting L. So this is the one. So if I can provide negative scenario, we are expecting not found. So not found. So it is working as expected. So this is the solution for to find first non-repeating character using Java 8 streams. So if you like the content, hit on like button and subscribe Programming KT. Thanks for watching.